Maria maracũngĩrĩria ikuũ cia atumia na ciana cia ngenge thirikari ĩkĩũrio gwĩkĩrĩra harĩ kũhĩtana na moritũ maya. Ũhoro ũheanĩtwo hĩndĩ ya kĩgomano gĩa kĩmabũrũri kĩa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ wa atumia, aritũ na ciana kĩrĩa kĩanjĩrĩirie gũkũ Nairobi, kũrĩa Kenya ĩtacũkĩtie makinya harĩ kũhũrana na airĩtu aritũ kana airĩtu anini gũkorwo makĩoha nda ciiko iria inyihĩte na gĩcunjĩ gĩa 15 harĩ igana, ciana 7 harĩ 10 rĩu nĩ irakinyia mĩaka 5 itakuĩte na ũheani wa njanjo naguo ũrũgamĩrĩire gĩcunjĩ kĩa 80 harĩ igana.
We need to be very intentional in reducing stigma towards mental illness so that even those mothers that are struggling with a mental or a psychological concern can be able to seek services. And number 5, care for the carer. When an eventuality happens, what about that doctor who was in theatre? What about that nurse who was trying to resuscitate that mother or even that baby? Who takes care of them?
For example, if a mother is lost today, she is audited. If there is a perinatal death, it is being audited and it is uploaded into the dashboard. So we go behind the Kenya Health Information System and do a real-time data to be able to see how we can be able to change the figures in the counties. And most of the time, when you have data and you see that this is the data that belongs to your county, you cannot ignore it. Basically, what you need to do is, what response do I need to make? And we've moved from basically doing just audit, maternal perinatal death reviews audits normally. It is no longer normal to us. It is not passive, where you just sit, do an audit and you move on. Now it has moved from technical audits to basically even leadership.
We must work in partnership with counties, our partners and communities. The national government sets the standards, policies and guidelines, but we rely on strong collaboration to ensure implementation and delivery of quality services. At the same time, we must strengthen community engagement and ownership and improve health-seeking behavior where we say individual care and empowering our individuals.